Y'all, I am eating a dead bird. I don't know why, but there's just something about it just don't sit right in my spirit no more. This is a rotisserie chicken. I had some avocado and wild rice. But I just don't know, y'all. Something about eating a dead bird. It just come to my mind. They said you was eating a dead bird. Well, you can't eat the bird alive. I can't eat a live bird. Well, maybe ain't supposed to be eating a dead one or a live one. Do y'all ever have these conversations with y'allself? I don't know, but all of a sudden I don't want to eat this no more. I don't know what happened to me in my spirit. It's like all of a sudden this right here just got nasty. Oh my, I don't know what's happening to me. I think I'm going through the change of life. I don't want to eat no more dead birds. Oh, y'all pray for me. Lord, I got to get off this app. Jesus.